Here, it's not. I don't have ponytail right now. Let's deal with this hairstyle. Send more stickers. Ay, 9K pa pala. Kayo ha, binibudol niyo ako. Golden arrow, try mo. Sige, mamaya. Thank you, Ate Carbs. Carbs, eh. Carbs. Hi, Ate Ira. Thank you, Kuya Jed. Born to win acoustic version. Grow old with you. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry on when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is roll with you. Elmer's Bobby. Ha ha ha. Ah, shoot. Hi, Mika. Hi, Kuya Ethan. So, guys, last 3K, and I'm gonna sing Torete. And I hope that I remember the lyrics. But, thank you, Ate Nick! Wow! Yay! We're at 300K na po. Hello, first time here. Hi, Empty123. Shout out to you. Do you know how to speak Tagalog already? Madali lang chords ng already. Period. Yun yung gusto ko. Mamaya. Pag nag 350K tayo, I'll do go already. Hindi. Hindi daw. Okay. Or he's answering my question. Okay, whatever. Sandali. Ano ba? Sandali lang. Ari ba ikaw? Alis na nga. Ari ba hawakan iyong mga kamay? Sana ay maabot ng... Isa pa. It's not giving. Kasi naman, if I sing and guitar, it's so hard to focus on singing. Okay, again. Torete, torete, torete ako. Torete, torete, torete sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo. Kahit na nililipad, please, boy, pagdating sa'yo. Wow. Oh my God. Wow! Ano yan? Nag-send si Curly Fries ng Yamashita? Wow! Bakit walang pag ganon? Mag-ano lang siya. Wow! Thank you guys. We're now at 500K. Thank you, Joshi. Your voice is amazing daw. Sakto lang. I was a bit flat on some parts, pero okay. I hope you guys like it. 1 a.m. naman dyan. More! Paano yung Grow Old With You? Kaso I need lyrics eh. Ate MJ, can you tell me what the chords are to Grow Old With You? The vocals are so calming. Thank you. I will do my best to make it calm. Calm. And might I just say, Blues, that sobrang overwhelming ng blessings na ma-receive natin. Actually, we're just waiting kasi sobrang daming surprises and sobra kayong matutuwa. Like, no joke. Kaya, sobrang maging patient lang tayo kasi i-announce rin yan and mangyayari rin yan kasi it's August and August is the month of the surprises. So, what are the chords again for Grow Old With You? What's the Tagalog version? Kasama kang tumanda. Ano yung chords? Bakit kasi, ayan. Ay, nawawala yung Kumu. Wait lang, search ko. Kasama kang tumanda. Guitar. Itong awiting ito ay alay sa... Ano ba yun? It's not so hard. Bar chords? G, A minor. It's the same chords as Grow Old With You. But what are the chords in Grow Old With You? Key of C. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do. Verse C, F, E minor. Wait lang. May kapog ba to? C, F, E minor, F, C, G. C, F, E minor, F, C, G. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry on when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do. Mali ako. I wanna make you smile. Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry around your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. Mali. Hindi ko gets yung dulo. Verse C, F, E minor, F, C, G. Chorus F, F, C, F, G. F, F, C, F, G. C, F. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. Yun yung kulang siya. Okay. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when you're... Okay. Okay. I wanna make you smile. Why bosses smell like a boy and half? What do you mean? I wanna make you smile. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get your medicine. Your tummy aches. Can someone please send the lyric? Sorry. From the top. Uh, I wanna make you. I wanna make you. I wanna make you smile. I wanna make you smile. Whenever you're sad, carry you around when you're with Radis's bed. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'm so sorry. Ito na. I wanna make you smile. Whenever you're sad, carry you around when you're with Radis's bed. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I get the message in your tiny eyes. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. It could be so nice. Growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my cold when you are cold. Need you, need you. Even let you hold the remote control. We can do dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed, I've had too much to drink. It could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my cold when you are cold. Need you, even let you hold the all control. I can do this, I can sing. So who's the lucky guy? I mean, do I have to have a lucky guy? I can just have me, right? And I have you guys, and I have Beanie. So why does there have to be a lucky guy? It can be Lucky Blooms.